I know many of you have seen those trending POV videos on social media. If you want to create your own viral, realistic AI POV videos that can even help you make money on TikTok and YouTube, then this video is for you. Today, I will show you how to make first-person videos that feel like you are actually inside the story. With just one simple prompt, you can create anything: a historical adventure, an action movie scene, or even a moment from a video game. I will guide you step by step and also share useful prompts, tips, and tricks to make your videos stand out, and show you how to do all this without spending too much money. So stay with me until the end, and you'll learn everything you need to start making your own viral AI POV videos. Let's get started. Alright, first we need to create our story and the prompts for it. To do this, we will use ChatGPT for help. Go to ChatGPT and get the special prompt from our Discord or Telegram channel. This prompt will help you create any POV-style video just by entering the title of a movie, historical event, or video game you have played. For example, I typed, "I worked as a crew member on a pirate ship." Once I clicked Generate, ChatGPT instantly provided multiple creative ideas based on the idea I entered. When you receive these ideas, carefully read through each one and select the one that interests you the most. After choosing your favorite idea, copy it and paste it into ChatGPT's text box. But before clicking Generate, make sure to also copy and paste the POV video scenario prompt right below it. This extra prompt helps ChatGPT create a detailed and immersive first-person scenario for the idea you selected. Once you have your scenario or story ready, it's time to create image prompts for each scene. To make this easier, I have created a special image prompt that helps generate all images in first-person perspective. All you have to do is copy this prompt and paste it into ChatGPT's text box. Now, in the same chat, specify how many image prompts you want. More image prompts mean more scenes, a longer video, and better storytelling. But for this demo, I'll keep it at 15 image prompts. Now, ChatGPT will generate 15 scene image prompts, all in first-person perspective, perfectly aligned with our POV niche. Now that your POV image prompts are ready, it's time to create high-quality, realistic images. After testing different tools, I found the perfect one that gives better results than most other AI generators. The tool we're using today is DeeVid AI. This tool creates high-quality images and videos from text with just a simple short prompt. First, click on Start for free and log in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll get some free credits to try the tool, which is awesome. On the left side, you'll see different features this tool offers. To create images, click on AI Image. Once you're there, you'll see a simple and easy-to-use interface like this. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first POV image prompt, and paste it into the DeeVid AI prompt box. Next, select the aspect ratio for your image. Here, you can also add a negative prompt to exclude any elements you don't want in your images. Once everything is selected, click Generate. DeeVid AI will now create your first-person perspective image based on the scene. And here is the result: a high-quality, ultra-realistic image that looks just like a real-life scene. Let's try another one. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt from your list, and return to DeeVid AI. Paste the copied POV image prompt and click Generate. DeeVid AI will instantly create 4 first-person perspective images based on the given prompt. As you can see, these images are of the highest quality, and all we provided was a short, simple prompt. Now, if you want to download an image, just click here, and it will be saved to your device. Now, repeat the same steps for all 15 scenes in your story. Start copying each remaining image prompt one by one and paste them into DeeVid AI's prompt box. Make sure each image is visually stunning, high quality, and consistent with the previous ones. If needed, take your time to refine the prompts and select the best generated images for your video. And the best part is it only costs 1 credit per generation, making it an affordable option for creating high-quality AI-generated images. Here are the images from all 15 generated scenes. Now, save all of them, because next we're going to convert them into a video. Now, go to DeeVid AI's image to video section and click on the Frames tab. Next, upload the first image that you want to convert into a video. Once uploaded, we need to add an animation prompt to tell the AI how we want the animation to look. Writing animation prompts manually can be difficult and time-consuming, so I've created a pre-made animation prompt to make things easier. Copy this animation prompt and paste it into ChatGPT, which will then generate detailed animation descriptions for all your images. These descriptions will include cinematic camera movements, character actions, and background effects to make the scene feel more realistic and immersive. Now, copy the first scene's animation description and paste it into the DeeVid AI prompt box. Next, select the prompt strength, animation mode, and length for your video. I'll leave it at the default settings and click Create. DeeVid AI will now start processing your image into an animation. And here's the result. It's smooth, high quality, with realistic camera movements and animated backgrounds. If you have two related scenes, you can also use the end frame option, which allows you to combine two images into a single seamless animation. Just upload two images, add a prompt, and click Create. Now, while it's processing, you can upload the next image, copy the next animation prompt from ChatGPT, and generate the next video. Here's the result using the end frame option. Looks great, right? Now, repeat these steps for all remaining images, converting them one by one into videos using DeeVid AI's image to video. The best part is that you can run up to 5 animations at the same time, and there's no queue, so you can animate all the images quickly without waiting. Here are the high-quality cinematic POV videos I've successfully generated using DeeVid AI. Each scene comes to life with smooth animations and stunning visual effects. Now, download all the animations. In the next step, we'll be using CapCut to create our final video. Now, open CapCut and import all the videos you downloaded from DeeVid AI. Drag them to the timeline, placing them in the correct order, starting with the first scene and ending with the 15th scene. Once your clips are perfectly aligned, it's time to enhance them. First, add transitions to make the flow smoother. Go to the Transitions tab and select Blink. This transition works perfectly because it simulates a real person blinking their eyes. Add it to all the clips for a more natural look. Next, let's add some text to grab attention and tell the story. Go to the text template section, choose a style you like, and add it to the timeline. Now, go to ChatGPT, copy the title of your story, and paste it into the text box. Adjust the size of the text as needed. Move to the second clip and add more text. Again, go to ChatGPT, copy the first scene's title text, and paste it in the text box. Then copy and paste this text template in all the clips, modifying the text to match the content of each scene. Now, let's get to the most important part, adding sound effects. I used 11 Labs for sound effects, but you can also use free sites like Pixabay. In 11 Labs, go to the sound effects section, and here, you can type any sound you want. But to make it easier, I'll go back to ChatGPT, copy the scene descriptions, and paste them into the 11 Labs text box. Set the sound duration to 5 seconds, since each clip from DeeVid AI is 5 seconds long. Then click Generate. 11 Labs will give you 4 different sound options for each scene. Download them and head back to CapCut. Now, upload the sounds and drag them to the timeline. Arrange the sounds for the first scene, ensuring that each sound matches the scene to create a more immersive POV experience. Repeat the same steps for all the other scenes, making sure you add the appropriate sound effects to each one. Once the sounds are in place, let's add that cinematic touch by applying a vignette effect to the video. This will give it that professional cinematic feel. Finally, review your video to ensure everything flows smoothly. When you're happy with the result, export your video in 4K resolution.
Yeah.
And just like that, your stunning high-quality POV AI video is is ready to go viral. You've just learned how to create an epic AI-generated POV video from start to finish. Now, apart from video generation, DeeVid AI also has other cool features like reference to video, which helps create consistent character videos by uploading reference images and describing the scene. There's also text to video, lip sync AI, and viral templates like AI kissing, AI hugging, and many more. If you're interested in this tool, you can buy their paid plan starting from just $14 per month. Plus, if you sign up yearly, you can save 29%. All the link in the description so you can check it out for free. If you need help, join our Discord or Telegram group. You'll also find all the prompts we use there, so you can use them too. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.